In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy dividend stocks on Robinhood using your PC. This walkthrough is designed to make the process clear and straightforward, whether you're a beginner investor or just looking to add dividend-paying stocks to your portfolio. To get started, make sure you're at your computer with a secure internet connection. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Robinhood website. Once there, log in with your account credentials. Always ensure you're on the official site for security reasons. After logging in, look towards the top of your screen for the search bar. If you already know which dividend stock you're interested in, you can click on the search bar, then type in the stock's name or its ticker symbol. This helps you quickly locate the stock without scrolling through lists or menus. As you're typing, Robinhood will display a drop-down list of matching stocks. Click on the correct stock from the list to open its detail page. Now that you're on the stocks page, take a moment to scroll down. Here, you'll find important information such as dividends and yield. This section gives details about the company's dividend payments, how much they pay per share, their annual yield, and past dividend history. Reviewing this information helps you make an informed decision, especially if you prioritize income from dividends in your investment strategy. Ready to buy? Once you've reviewed the details, look for the Buy button, usually located near the top or the right side of the page. Clicking this brings up the purchase window. Here, you'll need to choose your order type. Robinhood offers several, but using a limit order is often recommended. This type allows you to specify the maximum price you're willing to pay per share, which can help you avoid sudden price spikes. Next, decide how many shares you'd like to buy or the exact dollar amount you want to invest. Enter this information carefully. Once you've filled in the amount, click Review Order to double-check all details. If everything looks correct, go ahead and click Submit to place your order. Finally, if you want to automatically reinvest any dividends you earn back into the stock, Robinhood makes this simple. Head back to the stocks page, then click on Settings. Here, you'll find a dividend reinvestment option. Switch this on to enroll in Robinhood's Dividend Reinvestment Program, which will automatically use your dividend payments to purchase more shares of the stock, helping your investment grow over time. And that's it. You've learned how to search for, purchase, and set up automatic dividend reinvestment for any dividend stock on Robinhood using your PC. Thanks for watching and happy investing.